Struggling with AMC MCQ preparation? You're not alone.
Join our community for a collaborative discussion where we break down complex questions and share winning strategies.
Let's ace this exam together.
We present the case of a 32-year-old man with a history of progressive weakness in his arms and legs. He was healthy until an upper respiratory infection 10 days ago. His vital signs are noted. He exhibits symmetric weakness on both sides of his face, as well as in the muscles of his arms and legs. Sensation is intact, but no deep tendon reflexes can be elicited. Given these symptoms, which of the following is the most likely diagnosis? Acute disseminated encephalomyelitis, Guillain-Barré syndrome, myasthenia gravis, poliomyelitis, polymyositis. The most likely diagnosis is Guillain-Barré syndrome. This is because the patient's presentation is classic for GBS, a rapidly progressing symmetric weakness following a recent infection, combined with the hallmark sign of absent deep tendon reflexes. The other conditions are less likely due to the specific combination of intact sensation and areflexia.
Okay, now I'm going to give a brief description about each answer. Guillain-Barré syndrome, French neurologist working together during the 1914 and 1980 war described a syndrome in French soldiers of an ascending acute symmetrical lower motor neuron paralysis commencing distally and spreading proximally, which may involve the bulbar brain stem region. As here, it is believed to be viral in origin and can follow a prodromal upper respiratory tract infection, usually self-limiting. Patient often recover completely. Then the other stems. Myasthenia gravis is characterized by abnormal fatigable weakness of muscle strength, rapidly weakness with use, and worsening symptoms towards the day's end are characteristic. The condition is a complement or antibody-mediated autoimmune blockage of acetylcholine receptors. Poliomyelitis is now uncommon in developed countries following widespread use of oral vaccine against the virus. The disease is characterized by lower motor neuron paralysis affecting particularly anterior horn motor neurons with accompanying lymphocytic meningitis. Respiratory failure occurs in fatal cases from paralysis of intercostal muscles and involvement of respiratory motor nuclei. Poliomyositis is a diffuse immunologically mediated connective tissue disorder, more common in women, causing inflammatory change in muscles. Muscle weakness is usually of insidious onset, causing difficulty in climbing stairs or rising from a chair. A similar syndrome of myositis can occur with a variety of malignancies. Acute disseminated encephalomyelitis present as a disseminated acute demyelinating disease with headache, fever, confusion and meningitis. Associated with multifocal brain and spinal cord signs and flaccid paralysis. The condition can be difficult to differentiate from multiple sclerosis, but is usually self-limiting. Subscribe my channel and stay with us to get more MCQ discussion so you can pass through the MC exam with high colors. Thank you.